Pixel Tablet is the only tablet engineered by Google and designed specifically to be helpful in your hand and in the place they are used the most, the home. A beautiful 11-inch high-resolution display with crisp audio from the 4 built-in speakers. A premium aluminum enclosure with a nano-ceramic coating that feels great in the hand and is cool to the touch. The world's best Android experience on a tablet powered by Google Tensor G2 for long-lasting battery life and cutting-edge personal AI. For example, with Tensor G2, we optimized the Pixel camera specifically for video calling. And with Pixel Tablet, you are always in frame, in focus, and looking your best. Typing on a tablet can be so frustrating. With Pixel Speech and Tensor G2, we have the best voice recognition, making voice typing nearly 3 times faster than tapping. We engineered a first-of-its-kind charging speaker dock. Woo! When it's docked, the new hub mode turns Pixel Tablet into a beautiful digital photo frame, a powerful smart home controller, a voice-activated helper, and a shared entertainment device. With the ultra-fast fingerprint sensor, I can quickly unlock the device and get immediate access to all my favorite Android apps. Pixel Tablet is also the ultimate way to control your smart home. And that starts with a new redesigned Google Home app. It looks great on Pixel Tablet, and it brings together over 80,000 supported smart home devices. With the new home panel, any family member can quickly adjust the lights, lock the doors, or see if a package was delivered. Pixel Tablet makes switching between users super easy, so you get your own apps and your own content while maintaining your privacy. It is so easy to move content between devices. Pixel Tablet is the first tablet with Chromecast built in. We designed a new type of case for Pixel Tablet that solves the pain of flimsy tablet cases. It has a built-in stand that provides continuous flexibility and is sturdy at all angles. The case easily docks, you never have to take it off to charge. The new Pixel Tablet comes in 3 colors. It is available for pre-order today and ships next month starting at just $499. Every Pixel Tablet comes bundled with the 129 charging speaker dock for free.